everybody, it is your boy Nanotech back at it with another video. In today's video, I put apart a $750 gaming PC that as a CPU and GPU can I have the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G. This is a really good APU, and I just wanted to make a PC around it which can be upgradable and that you can game on it, but you shouldn't really be buying this PC at any cost because it's just not the best for gaming. Just saying. And if you do want to buy this PC for some reason, it's gonna be linked in the description below. But this is just as a fun, like a video that if you guys want to watch it and critique it, it would be fine. But I don't know, I just didn't have any ideas, so I just ran out of ideas. So I decided to make a video on this CPU. I mean on this APU. Came out a couple months ago. So yeah, let's get right into it. So for the APU, obviously we have the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G, 4 core 8 threaded, pretty CPU, which is pretty good. It has a base clock of 3.7 gigahertz and a boost clock of 4.2 gigahertz. The TDP of it is 65 watts, and it comes with Radeon Vega 11 graphics integrated. And for $150, this will definitely pack a punch if you're having a APU budget PC, but not as well for gaming and for making videos and streaming because it doesn't have enough cores. But it is okay for gaming. But if you're willing to buy this PC, and you're probably gonna buy a graphics card, then it's just fine for now. Okay, so for the motherboard, for CPU cooler, I decided to go with this Enermax Lictech 2 360 millimeter liquid CPU cooler because it can definitely handle the overclocking of the CPU to the 4.2 gigahertz, and it's just $120. It has these RGB controllers over here, which are good, and here it's like this is the CPU block or the cooler, which um and stuff, and it has 3 fans, which is good for overclocking, and it's gonna have it in um a very stable temperatures, and that's gonna be good for $120, which is a really good price for a 60 millimeter cooler, which it's gonna be fine because it doesn't have that much RGB, and it's pretty it looks pretty nice. And now for the motherboard, I decided to go with this Gigabyte X570 Gaming X ATX M4 motherboard. I decided to go with this motherboard because it's one of the cheapest X570 motherboards, and it looks pretty nice. If you can see here, it has one M.2 slot. No, two. Never mind. There's one over here and over here, and yeah, this is from Gigabyte, and it's an X570 Gaming X, which is pretty good. And you can obviously upgrade this to any Ryzen 4000 series CPU whenever they come out, and also has all of your connectors, and this will definitely be available with the CPU cooler and all of that, and it doesn't scream RGB in your face. And for the price of $170, this is actually a really good motherboard. For the memory, I decided to go with only 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's 2x8 DDR4 3600 megahertz CL19, which is not bad for about $67. It's you should probably want this in your PC. I know it's red, but the case has black and red accents, so it's gonna be good for the PC and the look in general. And it's just a normal G.Skill Ripjaw V16 kit, so yeah. For storage, I decided to go with a hard drive and an SSD combo. For an SSD, I decided to go with the Steam GX2 512 gigabyte solid state drive because it is one of the cheapest solid state drives for about $51, and it's also from Team GX2, which is pretty fast. It's SATA 6 gig, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And I definitely trust Team Group when they make pretty good products. So yeah. And for the hard drive, this is a normal hard drive that everybody should have in their computer, which is this one, the Seagate Barracuda Compute 2 terabyte. 7200 RPM hard drive. This is for the main storage. Is probably for our games and for other applications, but still the SSD has a lot of storage to store some of your games. So yeah, and yeah, it's pretty. It's for $55. It's not that bad, and it's like, you probably need this in your PC if you have a gaming PC for about this budget. And yeah, it's a normal thing to have a hard drive, obviously. And for the case, I decided to go with this Cooler Master Box MB511 because it is only $62 from Newegg, even though it has an $8 shipping. That's fine. It has it look. I mean, I said it has some red accents in the front, and you can fit the 360 in the front over here, and it has CPU a PSU shroud, and I believe it's an RGB fan in the back. So, oh no, I think that's a normal fan, so that's gonna be even better for airflow. And yeah, it's pretty good for about $63. It's all you need. And finally, the fourth thing that's gonna power this is this EVGA BR 700 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. I decided to go with this one because it's a really good power supply. It's about 700 watts, and it's definitely gonna pack a punch if you wanna upgrade it in the future to like a 2080 Ti, which you probably don't wanna do with a Ryzen 5 3400 GB because it's gonna just not be a good pair. And yeah, it's like pretty normal. It's pretty standard. And I decided to spend $75 on this is because I mean I had the money left, and there's no other place to upgrade because I would have just run out of money. So yeah. And yeah, like I said, this is gonna be the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. So if you subscribe, it would be of massive help. And yeah, follow my Twitter, Instagram, join my Discord. I'm always in there. So okay, goodbye.